We filming?
Hi guys. So next thing we're going to do here is change the piston rings to Bowman rings. We've got a set of new Bowman rings here, but before we did that I want to show you something. Now we've been using red line oil here, and as you can tell from the way the bolts are coming out, the cylinder has been on here for quite some time. You know, hearing that crack. Here's number 3. And I'll loosen the last one here. And I will switch up a little bit to this one since it's easier to turn. Bolt. I'm just going to show you one side. It's the same doing it for both sides, so no sense in filming both. And if you're careful, the gaskets will be still in good shape. We don't need to replace those, but I do have spares just in case. Just in case. Oh, look at that. It's coming right off. Okay, now pull that last bolt out. There we go. I'm going to take this and just focus on the piston as we come out. Watch this. Turn this in, and we're going to pull that on. So red line oil from new, and this is run for quite some time. Run a little bit lean, looks like. And that's it. If you take a look inside, very little carbon inside. Okay. Now we're going to clean that up a little bit and then replace these rings. Now if we take a look at the piston, you'll see here there's a pin. Okay, and there's a, we'll remove this piston ring here, and it's just as easy as, you know, lifting that up a little bit and rotating it around, and you'll see a cutout. This is the original DLE ring. Okay, the Bowman rings will be unpackaging. And before I put this in, we'll check the grooves, and the packaging that Bjorn puts it in is quite interesting. He's got a little pipe which he cuts, and he puts the rings in there. So I'm going to use the old ring to see if there's any mess that's preventing things from moving around. I don't think so, because it was pretty free in there. Oh, that's good. So now we're going to take this, and these are pre-gapped. For the DLE130. Yeah, the bag's pretty tight, so we'll just sacrifice a little baggie. And just like the OEM rings, just put that there. There's a little cutaway here, and that little cutaway fits where that pin is. So we're gonna slide this on, just like that. And now we have rings. Now, to put this in place, you can actually just use your fingers, okay? And by sliding the ring in and compressing it with your fingers, you can get the cylinder to fit on top, just like that. And then now we just bolt it in. That's how easy it is to replace. But what we're gonna do before that is actually take this ring. I'm not gonna take that one out. Put it in the cylinder. Okay, and we're going to measure the gap. Make sure there is a gap. And I'm going to use this a little bit to push it in. Yes, I know I got a ring on a ring, but guess what? It's still going to work. I just want to push it into the cylinder. so that it's flat. Now we can use a feeler gauge to check that ring gap, make sure it's not closing all the way, so we do have a little gap. All right, so that's all for now. If there's no gap, what we'll do is we'll take a little piece of sandpaper like that 600 grit, put it inside, and then just rub it together. Actually, take the ring out and just rub it to put a little tiny gap in that ring. All right, that's all for now. We'll talk to you soon.